My dear friends, welcome back to Ajmera Fashion. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan, and today's video is going to be very different and unique because I haven't made video on this product before, because that is going to be our dupatta collection. Yes, you have seen a sari, kurti, lehenga, nighty, lots of things, but today's video is different because I'm going to show you a collection of dupatta. So let's move further and let's see the first sample. Actually, we have wide range of varieties, but I have chosen some limited samples for you so that you will have an idea that which kind of varieties we have. So let's move further. Let's see this piece. Look, I hope you will have idea like this is going to be really beautiful, which has a very pretty kind of work which is going to be on the zigzag pattern. So isn't this very unique? It is on a netted base. Yes, this is a netted fabric I'm showing you, which is on a great color combination. And let me show you lace border. So it has a pretty lace border too. Quality of the fabric, that is really brilliant. Now why dupatta is different? Because nowadays styling new products is very trendy nowadays. That's why customers are purchasing different kind of dupattas to pair them with a different kind of outfits. That's why as a retailer you should keep fancy dupattas at your place too. So let's move further and let's see again masterpiece. Look. So this is going to be again very different color. You can see very unique, which has a tone to tone color thread work. Yes, you can see this is a thread, tone to tone color thread work we are providing you with a great quality of color combination. Important notice I want to tell you that not a single piece is available. You have to purchase everything set wise. You have to purchase everything in a wholesale. If you want to start your business of clothes, only then you can join us. Not single pieces available. Let's move further and let's see a digital printed dupatta, which is for a one side. Yes, also known as a pancha. Yes, this is known as a pancha too. So this is a very pretty unique on a digital weaving base. Now why it is digital weaving? Because it has a very different process of making it, that I will show you in a different video. So for that we have to go to a factory. So I will show you a dedicated video that how we make a dupattas or digital sarees in a factory. So let's move further and let's see another digital dupatta, which is very rich in color. Yes, you can see very rich colors we are providing you. Here is something different. This side there is different. This side is different. Again in the downside there is different colors. So you can see fusion of colors. That is very unique, which is on a weaving. Yes, this golden butta you can see inside this, all the golden buttas. That is very pretty. So isn't this very unique collection? Again I want to show you one more pretty pattern. Again digital printed dupatta with a weaving, but different kind of motifs. You can see the flower motifs. It is actually giving a 3D effect, because that's why I'm telling it digital dupatta, that is very trendy nowadays. So you can keep these things at your place too. Now we have seen a trendy collection, but we can't miss a evergreen collection, that is this cotton dupatta, which usually our Indian teenage girl loves to wear while driving a scooty, driving a vehicle, to tie their face, to hide their face from sunlight. So this is a very hide piece I'm showing you, which is very broad. You can see it is actually very broad, very good in texture. Pure cotton we are providing you. We have cotton, rayon, hosiery, lycra, netted, velvet, digital printed, all kind of fabrics. So just an example, we are seeing this Nazmeen base. So this was Nazmeen with the outer line finishing. You can see outer line finishing of the moti. You can see these are the pearls, so which is outer line finishing. Next we are going to see a cotton printed dupatta. Previously we've seen that was a plain. This is cotton printed dupatta, and you can see the texture, you can see the length, width, that is very heavy. 2 meter plus cut of the dupatta we are providing you here. Next is Gharchola. Yes, name of the dupatta is Gharchola dupatta, which is going on a rayon base and heavy printing. Yes, table print we are providing you, which is trendy also. You might have heard the name of Gharchola if you are belong to Gujarat or you belong to Rajasthan, because there is this product is very famous, but that is ideal for a styling. Look, this is Nazmeen, but embroidery, a sober printed for a daily use purpose. I want to show you next piece. That is this. Look at this. which is very unique, very pretty, and it has this foil printing, and this foil is actually washable, and after washing the color will not fade away, fabric will not shrink. That is a plus point. Again, next dupatta. So as you can see, we have wild varieties. Just an example, if I will open any piece, so let's just take this bunch. Okay, so in this bunch there is this 10 pieces. So this is a set of 10 pieces. So there are 10 colors different and design different, 10 motifs are different. So that is a speciality. Important thing, not to single piece is available, only in a wholesale you have to purchase. So friends, for online order, numbers are on screen, just call there. Further information we will provide you over there. So this was our video about dupattas. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan. That's it for today. Signing out.